Hello friends, in this new video we discuss about the solution of differential equation by using Laplace transforms. This is very helpful method to find a solution of a differential equation. It requires initial value problems. Now the idea of this concept will be cleared by taking examples, and therefore we directly start with an example. So let us consider the example y double dash plus 25y equal to 10 into cos of 5t with initial condition y at 0 equal to 2 and y dash at 0 equal to 0. So friend, to apply the Laplace transform to differential equation, you should know how to find the Laplace transforms of the derivatives. If we take Laplace transforms on both sides, here simple process, taking Laplace transforms on both sides, though we have to take Laplace transforms. So Laplace transforms of y double dash plus 25 is constant, so we write it as Laplace transforms of y. Again 10 is constant, Laplace transforms of cos of 5t. Here Laplace transforms of y, we use another notation, or that is y bar. Then it is a second derivative, and therefore this will be s square y bar minus s into y at 0 minus y dash at 0 plus 25 y bar equal to 10 into Laplace transform of cos 5t is s divided by s square plus 25. So this is the simple process. Now you can see that we can put the values of y at 0 and y dash at 0. Put y at 0 equal to 2 and y dash at 0 equal to 0. Then you can see that here we get s square y bar minus 2 into s plus 25 y bar equal to 10s divided by s square plus 25. This is a simple case. Now you can see that we have y bar in two steps, so therefore we take common y bar in the left side and transform this 2s term to the right side. Therefore we have s square plus 25 y bar equal to 2s plus 10s divided by s square plus 25. Now y bar equal to 2s divided by s square plus 25 plus 10s divided by s square plus 25 whole square. Now what is y bar? Y bar is L of y. So therefore L of y, hence y equal to, we have L inverse of these two terms, 2s divided by s square plus 25 plus 10s divided by s square plus 25 whole square. Now y equal to, here 2 common, s divided by s square plus 25. This is nothing but cos of 5t plus 10 into L inverse of s divided by s square plus 25 whole square. Okay, now you can see that L inverse of s divided by s square plus 25, if we take the derivative d by ds of 1 divided by s square plus 25, s square plus 25, derivative of this is equal to minus 1 divided by s square plus 25 whole square into 2s. This is 2s. Okay, so this is the derivative, and therefore we make a small adjustment. So therefore here y equal to 2 into cos of 5t minus, we write it as a minus 5 into L inverse of, okay, so this is d by ds of 1 divided by s square plus 25, right? So you can see that this is minus 2 minus 2 into minus 5, this will be plus 10, and we get that terms. Now friend, you know that L inverse of d by ds of f of s is equal to minus t into L inverse of f of s. So let us apply this technique, apply this formula to this term. We have to multiply by minus t, so that what we get here, y equal to 2 into cos of 5t minus become plus 5t into L inverse of 1 divided by s square plus 25, and this is t. Okay, so here this is 1 by 5. We have standard formula for this. So this is equal to 2 into cos of 5t plus 5t into 1 by 5 into sine of 5t. 5 get cancelled, and we get a simple answer 2 into cos of 5t plus t into sine of 5t. This is the answer of this problem. So you have seen that how we can solve the differential equations initial value problem. It is rather a initial value problem by using Laplace transforms. So let us see one more example. First we clear this. Okay, another example, y double dash plus y equal to sine 3t, and initial values are y at 0 equal to 0, y dash at 0 equal to 0. So what is the first thing? First thing, we have to take Laplace transforms on both sides. So Laplace transforms of y double dash plus Laplace transforms of y equal to Laplace transforms of sine 3t. It is second derivative, so Laplace transform of this term is equal to, here we use the notation Laplace transform of y equal to y bar. This is for our convenience, you can put it as it is. Okay, so what we get, it is second derivative, so we have power s square and y bar minus s is decreasing, s into y at 0 minus y dash at 0. So this is the expansion of L of y double dash plus, and L of y here y bar equal to sine 3t. This is 3 divided by s square plus 3 square, that is 9. This is standard formula. We can apply standard formula 1 divided by sine of 80. Okay, now in this we have to put y at 0 equal to 0, y dash at 0 equal to 0. So these two terms will be 0, and what remains here? Y bar s square plus 1, y bar common, y bar equal to 3 divided by s square plus 9, y bar equal to 3 divided by s square plus 1 into s square plus 9. Okay, so we get these two terms. Now let us apply the method of partial fraction. What is a partial fraction? Whenever there is a term as plus b, s square plus 1 plus cs plus d divided by s square plus 9. Now also you can see that here 3 equal to what we get, as plus b into s square plus 9 plus cs plus d into s square plus 1. Okay, so let us multiply this. 3 equal to a s cube plus 9as plus bs square plus 9b plus cs cube plus cs plus ds square plus d equal to a plus c s cube plus b plus d whole square s square plus again 9a plus c yes, okay, 9a plus c s, right, plus 9b plus d. Now equating the coefficient of like powers of s, we get a plus c equal to 0, so that a equal to minus c. Again we have 9a plus c equal to 0, that is minus 9 into c plus c equal to 0. This gives us c equal to 0. So whenever c equal to 0, we have this a equal to 0, a and c equal to 0. Now b plus d equal to 0, so b equal to minus d there and minus d, therefore 9 into minus d plus d equal to 3. In the left side we have 3 only, so here you can see we have minus 8d equal to 3 and d equal to 3 divided by 8 with minus sign. There b equal to 3 divided by 8, right. Then you can see that, let us put these values here. If we put these values here, you can see what we get. Y bar equal to a0, b is 3 divided by 8 divided by s square plus 1. D is minus, so minus 3 divided by 8 divided by s square plus 9. And this is L of y. Y bar means L of y. And therefore y equal to, let us take 3 by 8 common. 3 by 8 common. L inverse of 1 divided by s square plus 1 minus 1 divided by s square plus 9. This is 3 divided by 8 into sine of t minus 1 divided by 3 into sine of 3t. Okay, so this is a solution y. You can see how we have obtained the solution of this problem by using the Laplace transform. This is very simple techniques. If we go step by step, then we can find the solution of the Laplace transforms. So friends, thank you for watching the video.